guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing and giving my honest opinion / review on the brand new 7RYMS RimoMic Pro wireless microphone. So this is the microphone that I received, and there's a note right here. So yeah, hello Nicholas, thank you so much for your great support. Hope you enjoyed the recording experience with the mic. So yeah, let's unbox it right now. Okay. Let's just try plastic. And here is the note. Thank you so much for the note, 7RYMS, thank you. So yeah, this is the product itself. It looks amazing, like as you can see right here. The product is, the box, the packaging itself is simple, like it's just a basic box. Just a real basic box with some features behind. It's written here, all the features and stuff like that. Yep. And there is a packaging list right here, what is included in the box. So yeah, and now we're gonna get into the product itself. Let's open the box. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, there's two yellow or gold bats here. I'm not sure what is it. Let's take a look first. I think it's like magnetic. So yeah, there is two of this. Yeah, there's two of this, and this is what is left in the box. Ooh, okay. This one. There's two more. I think this should be the microphone. Yep, this is the microphone. It has a clip on it. There is two microphone, and I think this should be the receiver that has this one. Yep, this is the lightning stuff. It's for iPhone basically. There is two of these, like for Android and iPhone. From what I've seen, like there's Android and iPhone. I've chosen the iPhone one because I'm using an iPhone. So yeah. And that's all on top of the box, and let's take a look what's inside of the box, like underneath the box. Okay, there is this white box underneath of the black box. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's interesting. Okay. Okay, so basically in the white box, what's included is the user manual and some accessories. I'm gonna show you guys one by one. This is the case for the microphone, so it's easy for you guys to bring it anywhere. The USB-C, like the aux to USB-C cable. To be more specific, it's called the USB-C adapter cable. And the second thing is called the 3-in-1 charging cable, which is here to charge your transmitter and receiver. And there is two of this. Basically, it's called the windshield. It's to remove some unwanted background noises, some wind noises. So basically, it just focuses on your noise. So it's really useful for the. If you guys are wondering how to use it, you just put the windshield on top of the transmitter, or I call it the microphone. So yeah, just put on top of it, just slip it in, and you could just use it like hello testing 1 2 3, it's like that. So yeah, it helps to make our voice more clear. And now let's get straight right into the testing and my opinion on the microphone, whether is it worth it to buy or is it not. Okay, let's find out right now. I'm just gonna read the instruction and get back to you guys, okay? So I've already read the instructions and I've already know how to use the mic. It's really simple. It just took me like less than 10 minutes to figure it out. So yeah. So basically the first thing is I've already attached the the windshield to the transmitter, and for the receiver, this is it. I just need to plug it into my phone. Okay. And there is it. Yep, there's an animation out there. It's 7RYMS, which is the brand, and it just pops out like that. Mic, yep, it just pop out two things like that. So yeah, to on the transmitter, you just have to click the side button right here. Okay, long press, and the white light shines, which means it's already connected because I already connected it to the phone. Yeah, both of the transmitter lights start flashing, which means it's not connected to the receiver. So if I were to connect the receiver to my phone again, let me just try. It's connected. The light maintains still, so it's connected right now. And before I continue with more testing, I would like to say there is one feature which is useful, or can I say very useful, especially for streamers, which is called the pass-through phone charging feature. This feature allows you to charge your phone while using the mic. So especially for streamers, you guys use your phone for a long duration of time, you guys need to charge your battery up, right, while using the mic. So this mic is suitable for you. Not many mic in the market nowadays have this feature. So yeah, and the best part is the battery life for this mic can last up to 6 hours. So how dope is that, right? Let's test the mic out right now, okay? Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello there. Okay, now I'm gonna use the second mic. I'm not sure if it doesn't make any difference, but we're just gonna test out the quality. Hello there. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, yep, it's recorded. And now I'm gonna try a long distance test. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm gonna do a longer sound quality test, and I'm just gonna say any fruits that come into my mind, okay? Apple, pineapple, coconut, mango, grapes, jackfruit, dragon fruit, durian, and so on. So now I'm going to say, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review video of this wireless microphone. So yeah, I think that's enough. From my opinion, I think if you guys were to use this mic for simple usage, such as video shooting, simple podcasts, you would just like to record a conversation with your friends, like just trying out a podcast, this microphone is suitable because it's clear enough and it does what it does. It's a mic, and the quality is not bad. It's considered good for this price range. And so yeah, and for the quality itself, I'm just gonna show you guys, since I haven't showed you guys how's the quality. Yeah, the material of it, it's for the transmitter or mic, it's called as plastic. And for the receiver, it's made of plastic also. So both of it is plastic. One receiver and two transmitter combined, it's lighter than the size of an AirPods. So yeah, you could imagine how convenient it is to bring it around anywhere. If you guys would like to purchase this item, everything will be in the description down below. Just check it out if you guys are interested, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you guys are interested. If you guys find this video helpful, okay? So yeah, see you guys in the next one.